Hello guys, it's New Year's Eve and let me show you how I did my quick holiday makeup. So first step is I'm moisturizing my skin. Very important step, so don't skip it. I have combination skin by the way, so it's been cold lately and it's very important for me to moisturize. Next is I'm putting on some foundation. I usually don't put full foundation. I just even out my skin color, my skin tone, underneath my eyes and on the sides of my nose and on the chin. Blend it very well. And since we're on vacation mode, I don't have my brushes with me, but no makeup brushes, no problem, because you can use your fingertips to easily apply your makeup. Actually, it works well. You can blend the foundation easily. Once you're done, on to the next step. Let me dig something from my bag. I am looking for my lipstick. I use it for on my cheeks and on my eyelids. I use my fingertips to blend. I like the natural effect. If I don't have my cheek tint, I use my lipstick to brighten up my complexion, bring a little life to my eyelids. But since I have this tiny brush, this is my favorite. I use it to add a little bit of definition on the sides of my nose and on my eyelids. I put a little shimmer on my lids and the tip of my nose and on the upper lip and the chin. And now working on my brows. So I'm just using my pencil. Make sure you have your spoolie brush so they go together. I can't use my pencil without my spoolie brush. I don't like the sharp lines. I make sure that I blend the color well. No harsh lines. That's the goal. So just feather strokes. Fill in your gaps there. And make sure that your hand is very, very light, especially on the inner corner of the eyebrows. Para hindi mo kang galit. to curl the lash is so I slightly heat up my curl lash. It speeds up the process because I don't usually just curl the roots. I curl from the ends to the roots to make sure that the curl gives that natural effect. So again, I curl from the ends to the roots, and then I work my way down and then up. And now I'm putting on some mascara. Just one coat, that will do. Don't forget to apply a thin coat on your lower lashes. It opens the eyes. And for the final touch, I'm trying on some shimmery, sorry guys, but I've not checked the shade of this one, but I like it. I think it gives that holiday vibe. What do you think? So just make sure that you're working on the line and the inner corners. And I think I am done. Now I can put my earrings on. Quick and easy. So just making sure that I did not miss anything. Blended well. Bawal mukhang espasol. Kailangan mukha lang fresh. Okay, I think that's it. Bye! Happy New Year!